In this video, we will see how to use the formula for sum, subtraction, multiplication, and division in Excel. If you have an instance as this, that you have number A and the list of numbers under it, you have number B and all the list of numbers under it, it will be easy to calculate the sum, subtraction, multiplication, and the division of this number. To get the sum of the value in cell A3 and cell B3, all you need to do is to come over to this sum area, then write equal to sum, open your bracket, A3 column B3, close your bracket, then press enter. You can see the sum of this value, which is 100, plus this value, which is 40, gives us 140. Instead of you running this individually, you can just click at the edge of this particular one, then drag down. The rest of them will be computed immediately. Now, to get the subtraction of these two numbers, all you need to do is write equal to A3 minus B3. Then press your enter. You can see the answer is very correct. Do the same here and you see other ones will be computed immediately. To get the multiplication, write equal to A3 multiplied by B3. Hit your enter. You can see it's already computed. Hold this edge, then drag it down. The rest will be computed automatically. To get the division of these two numbers as well, click equal to A3 divided by B3. Then hit your enter. You can see the answer, and when you click at this edge, the rest will be automatically computed. So this is how you can use the formula for sum, subtraction, multiplication, and division in Excel. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to this channel if you've not subscribed. Thank you.